Hello there, I'm Tommy. Today I'm going to show you why we cannot zoom boats back over the horizon, as flat earth believers say we can. So this is a boat, this is the ocean, and this is a flat earth believer with his P1000. When we see objects, we see the light traveling from that object. We see the photons coming towards us, reflecting from that object. So from this boat, the light hits the boat from the sun and travels everywhere. But the light hitting the boat going over the horizon will never hit the P1000. And there is no way you can zoom this line of photons down towards the camera. That's not how physics or reality or anything works. Because you cannot bend this line with this camera. That would be magic. Whatever light traveling, whatever photons traveling from this boat, you cannot zoom in with this P1000. Okay? And when I say that boats disappear, it's because when you zoom out, you have pixels inside the camera. And when you zoom out from that 3000 millimeters and down to 24 millimeters, the angular size, the resolution is just too much. It's disappearing. So it's invisible. There's not enough light, not enough photons, not big enough angular size to hit the pixels inside the camera. So when you zoom in again, when you zoom back from 24 towards 3000 millimeters, the angular size of that boat is bigger. Then it gets visible again on the chip. But at 24 millimeters, when you zoom, let's switch back here. The angular size of this boat gets so small that it would just disappear in the camera. That's why they say that you can't see it. If you can see it with your eyes or not, you can't tell on YouTube, because that's not your eyes, that's the camera. So that was just a small one again. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.